This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Watch List and Market Report for the week ending November 25th, 2023. Our question this week is, what is Binance? The answer will be provided later in the video. This week, the market ended higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.33% on Friday and was up 1.27% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.06% on Friday and was up 1% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 0.11% on Friday but was up 0.89% for the week. Looking at the week, we can see that there were 8 up finishes versus 4 down finishes for the major indexes. On Monday and Wednesday, all the major indexes finished up. On Tuesday, they all finished down. On Thursday, the market was closed, and on Friday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 finished up, while the Nasdaq finished down. New unemployment claims were 209,000. Home sales fell 14.6% in February, a 13-year low. U.S. crude oil prices tumbled below $75 per barrel on Wednesday. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao agreed to plead guilty to federal charges. Binance users pulled more than $1 billion from the exchange after the guilty plea, and Bitcoin rose above 38,000 to reach a new high for the year on Friday. New unemployment claims, home sales falling to a 13-year low, U.S. crude oil prices tumbling below $75 a barrel, Binance CEO CZ pleading guilty, the exchange users pulling more than $1 billion from Binance after the guilty plea, and Bitcoin rising above 38,000 to reach a new high for the year are all news. And news drives the market, good and bad. Day-to-day predictions on whether the market is going to go up or down are virtually impossible because predicting the news is impossible. However, the market is rigged to go up. It does not go up every day or even every week, but the market will generally go up over time. Stock prices move in a random fashion. They go up and down with an upward drift. Now we are at our question of the week. What is Binance? Binance is the largest centralized cryptocurrency exchange in the world in terms of trading volume. Binance allows customers to buy, sell, and hold a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Binance also provides other cryptocurrency and blockchain related services to their customers. It is centralized and privately held. Binance was founded in July 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, or CZ, as he is commonly called. He recently agreed to plead guilty to a number of charges relating to allowing some customers to money launder and make other illicit transactions. Do you use Binance to trade or invest in cryptocurrencies? Do you use traditional stock exchanges to trade or invest in stocks? Or do you own any stocks at all? If not, why not? Is it because you do not understand anything about the stock market? Well, it was not taught to you in school. If you ever want to learn how to get wealth and income through the stock market, you are going to have to teach yourself. You must RSI, that is, read, save, and invest. Formal school taught you how to read, but society and the powers that be discourages you from reading, especially books. School taught you to be a worker. They did not teach you how to be an investor, and they taught you absolutely nothing about the U.S. financial system. You can learn how to be an investor if you simply start reading books and watching YouTube videos about investing. However, books and videos will not tell you which direction the market is going to go, but you can learn how to make money in the market no matter what the market does. I don't know which way the market is going to go on a daily basis, and I don't care. I trade the market as it is, not as it should be. I take what the market gives me, whether it's going up, down, or even sideways. How do I do that? I apply the Southside strategy. You can learn more about the Southside trading strategy at southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. Here is a Southside trading watch list from the week ending November 25th, 2023. The strongest performer on the list this week was Riot Platforms Incorporated, ticker symbol RIOT. It's in the first column. It increased 3.62% on Friday and was up 14.69% for the week. Riot Platforms Incorporated is a vertically integrated Bitcoin mining company that operates through three segments. They are Bitcoin mining, data center hosting, and engineering. The company enhances its capabilities to mine Bitcoin in support of the Bitcoin blockchain. It provides comprehensive and critical mining infrastructure for institutional scale hosted clients to mine Bitcoin at its mining facility. The facility provides over 700 megawatts in total developed capacity for its Bitcoin mining and data center hosting services for the institutional scale hosted clients. Looking at a summary of results, you can see that Riot has increased almost 255% year to date. I generated cash flow from Riot platforms this week. Whether a stock goes up or down, you can generate cash flow from it. Whether you own a stock or not, you can still generate cash flow from it using the Southside strategy. The Southside trading strategy involves trading for weekly cash flow, that is, trading for income. SPY is shown at the bottom of the third column. SPY is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the benchmark I compare my trading performance to. My objective is to beat the S&P 500 index while at the same time generating cash flow. Most professional money managers do not consistently outperform the S&P 500 index. They usually lose and lose badly to the index. Thus, most investors and traders should just invest in or trade a market index fund or ETF like SPY. What do? Do you beat the S&P 500 index? Do you have a watch list? What is your investing and or trading strategy? How well do you do against the S&P 500 index ETF SPY? Let me know in the comment section. Are you willing to share your strategy? The Southside portfolio cash flow system is outperforming the S&P 500 ETF SPY. The Southside portfolio is up 26.69% versus 19.05% up for SPY, a difference of 7.64%. The Southside is beating SPY by almost 8%. The cash flow generated by the Southside cash flow system for this week was 1.81% of the portfolio account value. The account value changed by 4.61%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ETF SPY changed by 1%. Bitcoin Watch. Bitcoin gained 3.56% this past week and appears to be breaking out into a bull market, though it is down more than minus 45% from its all-time high, which was achieved in November 2021. It is up almost 128% year to date. I sold option contracts on two positions this week. There were two calls that ranged from $4.34 to $70.34. You can get more details, including the total dollar amount of cash flow for the week, on the website southsideschooloffinancialfreedom.com. Please like, share, and subscribe.